Both Beauty and the Beast, the gorgeous Note 8 has an extraordinary feature set and magnificent performance. It's expensive, but can you really afford not to consider it? Find out what we made of Samsung's brand new flagship, which is now on sale. The Galaxy Note 8 was announced in a special Unpacked event on August 23, 2017. It became available to pre-order the next day at £869 Inc. VAT, and began shipping on September 15. That's really quite expensive for a smartphone even by today's standards. It's £180 more than the £689 Galaxy S8, which is now available for as little as £550, for example. It's cheaper than the iPhone X, which starts at £999 and is likely to be one of the Note 8's biggest rivals. However, based on previous Samsung pricing, we'd expect the RRP to quickly fall in the first few months following the launch, so if you can't afford it just now, then it might be worth waiting a little while. The same can't be said about the iPhone. Apple doesn't reduce prices until a new model is on sale. And, of course, many readers will choose to buy the Note 8 on a contract rather than SIM-free. We've rounded up some of the best Note 8 deals. Buying the Note 8 SIM-free is still the cheapest way to buy it, of course. If you decide to buy the Note 8, don't forget to check out the best Note 8 accessories. Samsung's Note 7 was a gorgeous handset, but the Note 8 is in a different league with its infinity display. It's not entirely bezel-less, but it's close enough, with a screen-to-body ratio of 83% and an 18.5:9 aspect ratio. In real terms, there's about a centimeter of frame visible above and below the display, but the rest is all immaculately polished and largely fingerprint-free glass, with a load more space for enjoying media and games, and for working with multiple apps at once.